Today, we are going to be drawing a BMW M4. But here's the thing, I am not going to teach you how to draw a BMW that is standing still and boring, just like the other creators. You will be drawing a BMW in a drifting pose to make your car sketch, to have emotion, and to feel more alive. Ready? Let's begin. We are first going to start with the foundation of the car, which is the shape of the car. We are going to start with the windshield. So when I draw a windshield, I always start at the left side, so I can measure with my eyes. The type of technique that I'm literally using for this drawing is actually freestyling. I'm just using my eyes to measure every distance when I'm moving that pencil. One mistake of me placing my arms on that ink, everything might be a mess, like literally. I'm using a pencil for some reason. Just don't judge me, guys, come on. If you have any car that you can actually recommend for me to draw for my next video, you can comment down below. After we have done drawing the entire shape of the car, we are going to move next to detailing. So when it comes to detailing, you need to be very careful. You need to use your eyes and focus, guys. That is like literally it. You need to use your eyes and focus on the sketch. Listen, you might draw the shape of the car in a good way, but if you mess up the detailing part, that could literally destroy the whole drawing before you even go to shading. That's why when it comes to detailing, you need to be very focused and use your eyes to measure every distance, as I am doing over here. So I like to always start with the front bumper, and then I move off to the side doors and the other stuff. Now the mistake that I've seen a lot of people make when it comes to detailing is to not align every part of the car clearly. Some misalign like the headlights and like the bumper and all of that. When it comes to detailing, you need to align every part of the car. Now, the best important thing for this car sketch is to put speeding effects and drifting emotion. Now we use that by drawing the smoke, right? Yeah, by drawing the smoke and adding lines on top of the car to indicate the speed and adding lines on the road. Now, the shading parts. Now, for this car sketch, we are going to be shading by using 3 colors: black, yellow, and dark green. So now the mistake that I've seen when it's come to shading with a lot of people, the mistake of just shading the whole entire car plain with just one color. When it's come to shading, there are certain parts of the car that are lighter and others that are darker. So you need to keep that in your mind. And this can literally make your sketch to feel more dynamic and classic. Now, if you want to learn more about cars in a drifting pose, you can check out this video right here.
I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make